How to cancel Expensify subscription? Hello friends, if you are searching how to cancel Expensify subscription, so try this method. Today in this video, we are going to tell you how you can cancel your Expensify subscription. Only in some easy steps, all steps you can see on your screen. So let's get started. Method 1. Cancel Expensify subscription online. First, you need to log into your Expensify account from the Expensify website. Head towards the settings section, policies, then group, and then subscriptions. Open the subscription section. Now tap on the cancel subscription button. And you are done. Method 2. Cancel Expensify subscription via email. Another method from which you can cancel your Expensify subscription is by contacting their customer support service team via email. You need to compose a cancellation email to send to their team. Make sure that you include all the details related to your subscription along with your contact information. Send that composed email to concierge@expensify.com. Wait for their team's reply, they will contact you soon. And you are done. Only by using this method, you can easily cancel Expensify subscription. Hope you liked this video. If yes, please hit a like button and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.